Our focus has always been on Washington, D.C., of course, as we watch the stimulus talks play out, but a lot of focus here today around some big names being named to the Biden administration and where his picks are going. The top two to discuss today, President-elect Biden choosing Xavier Becerra, the Democratic AG in California, as his nominee for the Secretary of Health and Human Services. That was a bit of a surprise there, as well as his new top pick to lead the CDC, Dr. Rochelle Walensky, the Chief of Infectious Diseases at Mass General in Boston. Will be replacing who we've seen there, Dr. Robert Redfield, through this COVID pandemic, and what the rollout's going to look like on the other side as the vaccine reaches the American public. And for reaction to both of those picks, I want to bring on Yahoo Finance's Rick Newman here with us. Rick, this is really where the focus is going to be. People might be surprised by the naming of Xavier Becerra there, but there is a lot to be expected in terms of where Obamacare goes in the Biden administration as well. So talk to me about your reaction to both of these names.
You're right. It was a surprise. Xavier Becerra for Director of Health and Human Services. The prominent rumor about him was that he was going to be the California governor's appointment to fill Kamala Harris's Senate seat. So that is still open. He's a lawyer. He's not a doctor, and he does not come from a pharmaceutical company or any kind of health organization. But he does happen to be representing California as the main defendant in that lawsuit trying to overturn the Affordable Care Act. The Supreme Court hearing on that was in November, just a few days after after Election Day. Texas is the lead plaintiff in that case. And the Trump administration has joined with the plaintiffs, saying that the whole law should be overturned. And California and Xavier Becerra, the attorney general, they are the defendants in that case. So that is his connection to the ACA. He was also a member of Congress when Congress passed the Affordable Care Act in 2010. So he has had connection to this for some time. It looks like the Supreme Court is probably going to leave the ACA intact. So Joe Biden probably is not going to have to deal with the ACA going away, but Biden does want to institute some improvements to the ACA. There are some real gaps in coverage, especially for some people who really get stuck paying a lot for insurance. So if the ACA stands, I guess Xavier Becerra could help him with that.